Getting our short final right now, and I'm getting ready to open up on the area again, so just keep your head down.
Okay, sorry there's not been any video up until now. When I went to the shop today, I didn't take my camera because I wasn't planning on building this, but I got into it and built it. So here it is, pretty much what it is, just a cooler. You fill 2-liter bottles up full of water, freeze them, and then you put them in the bottom part of this, and then you have a fan pushing air in, and then you have positive pressure coming out, pushing it out through here. You have 2 speeds, medium and high. I know you won't be able to tell, but that's high. That's medium. It's about like you would expect out of a vehicle. This is what blows. That might be a fan port vehicle. I'm not sure. I'm going to do a second part to this. What I'm going to do is fill it full of ice or full of bottles that are frozen, and then I'm going to use the actual heat gun to see how cold it's coming out and how cool it will get a vehicle. So this is, I guess, will be part 1 of the redneck air conditioner or redneck swamp cooler. So stay tuned for testing. As always, thanks for watching.
Beautiful, beautiful. I like to go straight out. I got to go straight out.